All right, we're starting off with 1 box of our penne pasta. Now I'm bringing in my sliced grape tomatoes and we're gonna put that right on top of our pasta. This looks absolutely delicious already. Next, I'm coming in with some shredded lettuce and we're gonna put that right next to our tomatoes. This is a super easy and super delicious summer lunch that everyone will love. I think that's gonna be enough lettuce. Next, I'm coming in with my 4-state cheddar cheese already shredded, and that's gonna go right next to our lettuce. We're gonna do about half of this bag. This is all in my 13 by 9. Next, we're gonna bring in some bacon, and I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my bacon right next to our cheese. I freshly cooked this bacon, but you could use bacon bits if you prefer. I personally love freshly cooked. So we're gonna make sure we slice up our whole package of bacon that we cooked. So that's about 10 slices of bacon. Now I'm doing bacon, but you could add some chicken to this. You could add some ground beef. You could add whatever you like to this lunch. That is the best part about this. It's completely customizable. So let's go ahead and get all of our bacon nice and cut up in our dish. All right, now that this is all in our dish, we're gonna put this to the side and we are gonna make a little dressing. We're gonna start off with half a cup of our Duke's mayo. You can use whatever mayo you like, but we are kind of going for a BLT pasta salad. So of course you have to have some mayo in your dressing. Now to make this a little looser, I'm gonna add half a cup of some sour cream. I absolutely love BLTs and this is no exception. So we should have a cup with both of those in there. Now the last thing we're gonna add to this is some ranch seasoning. I personally think ranch goes so well with bacon, which is why I'm gonna add about half of that packet into our mayo and sour cream mixture. And now we're gonna give this a nice hearty mix. And as we mix this, it'll get a little looser and more dressing-like. Now, if you don't wanna make a homemade dressing, you can just use ranch dressing, which will taste just as good. But I personally think that the mayo, sour cream, and ranch seasoning mixture is gonna taste incredible with those tomatoes, with the lettuce, the cheese, and that bacon. I cannot wait. I personally love pasta salad year round, but that looks good, right?
Yeah, it looks fantastic. Smells good.
Oh yeah. All right, let's bring back our dish with our bacon, our pasta, all that goodness. And it is time to get that right on top. It is a little thicker, but once we get this all in there and mixed up, you won't even be able to tell. It's gonna taste so good. Okay. All right, and once we get that all out and into our dish, it is time to mix this up. And we're gonna mix everything perfectly together. We wanna make sure that that pasta gets coated in the dressing, the bacon gets coated in the dressing, the tomatoes, all that goodness. Now, if you don't like any of these ingredients, you can skip them, but a BLT definitely calls for bacon, lettuce, tomato. I added the cheese so that it would be more of a traditional pasta salad, but either way, this is gonna taste amazing. So let's get this all mixed together. And this looks beautifully mixed. Now, we do wanna pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes just so everything can get nice and chilled. All right. This has been in the fridge for half an hour. It is time to dig in. This is perfect for a barbecue, a picnic, or you know, if you just need to meal prep lunch for the week, I definitely recommend this. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. BLT pasta salad. Actually get bacon and some of that pasta. Maybe a tomato too.
Is it good?